Hi everyone, welcome to Ulterior Engineering's Mission-121, where the future of electrical and electronic engineers are going to take flight. Now we are talking about a year-long comprehensive program where students will dig deep into realms of automation, power systems, IoT, BMS, PCB designing, AutoCAD, fire safety, electrical systems, and SCADA. But this is just the beginning. We are offering something even more better. We are not only offering you an educational journey, but we are offering you to secure your future by having a job placement, 100% assured job placement in reputable companies. That's not the end. You're going to work with us on live projects from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. in a very good professional and corporate environment. In addition to that, we have got your back and we are going to give you a project kit box, where this kit box you can take it to your home and work on it whenever you want and wherever you want. In addition to that, we will give you access to the project files, to the training modules, to the Google classrooms, and many more. Now, are we at the end? No, we have got you something else. At Ulterior Engineering, we are offering you access to our LMS. It's not a learning management system only, but it is the launchpad of entrepreneurship, where you can launch your own entrepreneurial program by crafting your own ideas, sharing your own knowledge and expertise with everyone, and earn from it. Share your knowledge, create your programs, and be on the platform for lifetime. And this access is only provided to those who are VIP access holders to Mission-121. Now, if you are willing to go with us and be with us through this journey, now mark your calendar for 25th of November, coming Saturday, with me, Engineer Sayed, and Rafat bin Ali, to guide you through the program. And you will know more, and you will know how we are leading to a new era of excellence in engineering. Mark your calendar, don't forget, and be with us at 9 p.m. Bangladesh time, this Saturday, 25th of November. Thank you.